Hey, you.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Is your CPU suffering from the slow, painful death of heat stroking? Symptoms include thermal throttling, getting hot enough to boil water, wanting fan noise or fire? Well, this is the video for you. Statistics have shown that every 11 out of 10 CPUs that come from the factory suffer from heat stroking. It is recommended that if your CPU is over the age of 4 and experiencing symptoms of the heat stroking, visit your local PC doctor immediately. Sir, what symptoms are you experiencing?
I'm idling at 55 degrees, gaming at 94 degrees, thermal throttling from 3.9 GHz to 3.7 GHz, and worst of all, I can't even get it up to a full 60 FPS in some games, even with the help of a GTX 1070.
Okay, we need to act immediately, or else you may never stroke again. Everything's gonna be alright. Nothing to be ashamed about. We have a cure for this. Okay. This operation will be quick and easy. We just have to come in from the backside, clean up the old stuff, and insert our own juice and wrap you back up. Okay. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed that short skit. Today we're going to see if we can unlock any free performance with this i7-3770K that came out in 2012. As you saw before, this chip runs terribly hot, and launching any application makes the temperature spike up to an uncomfortable level. Running Warzone, the CPU throttles itself down as a safety precaution to try to keep the temperatures down, but it's still peaked at 93 degrees, and hovers around 80 degrees when we are just sitting in the menu. The frames dropped below 60 in some areas, and the game just felt choppy at some points. Okay, let's get the CPU out and examine the crustiness level. Well boys, I think I found our problem. Now look how dried up and crusty this thermal paste is. No wonder we had heat issues. I'll show you guys the method I used to delid the CPU with a knife. Now if you don't have a delidding tool, I found this method of using an X-Acto knife. Rocking it back and forth is super effective versus going around the heat spreader and trying to slice the adhesive. Now if you're going to do this, let the knife do the work, take your time, and be ready if the knife slips so it doesn't cut the actual chip in the middle. I'm a professional amateur and I'm not responsible for any damages that may happen to your chip. Now one mistake I made was on this corner. I didn't have the knife completely between the two surfaces and ended up cutting a little piece of metal off the heat spreader, but that's not a big deal. Now it didn't have my plastic spudger on me, so this was the best tool I could find. Now that's done, here are some Cinebench testing results comparing the stock cooler non-Delid overclock, stock cooler Delid overclock, and Cooler Master Hyper 212 overclock results. Now I think the results speak for themselves. We spent almost nothing but an hour of our time to not only unlock more performance out of our chip, but increase the lifespan of the chip. Now the previous owner of this computer is going to be thrilled that his old system is now faster and runs a lot cooler. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. If you enjoy this type of content, please like this video and consider subscribing. And I'll see you all in the next one.